Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this card. So we need a cardstock of size 16 centimeter into 29 centimeter and divide it into three parts. Mark first line at 9 centimeter and the second line at 20 centimeter. Score it and this will give us three parts. Now fold along the scored lines and you can see the middle part is of 11 centimeter. Now fold it again. Now take a piece of paper, fold it in half, draw a half shape heart, cut it, and it will give us perfect shape of the heart. Now take this card. You can see the middle part is of 11 centimeter and its half becomes 5.5 centimeter. So I will mark both the left and right flaps on 5.5 centimeter. Draw a line, or you can also just score it on both the sides on 5.5 centimeter mark. Now I will draw this heart on this cardstock piece. Put the center of the heart just on the line, and now on the other flap, the side of the flap, I will draw the heart in the middle part. And don't forget to keep the center of the heart just on the line which we draw. Now again on the first flap, I will leave the space for the middle heart on the other flap and draw a third heart at the top point. Now you can use a hobby knife or a simple scissors to cut along the outline of the hearts and the straight line as well, and detach this piece. Cut this top corner of the heart as well, and on the other flap cut according to the marked shape and detach the point as well. Now the basic pattern is ready. This is how you will fold it, and in order to make the upper heart prominent, I will cut a 1 centimeter width of strip from this side to the other side. So by cutting this 1 centimeter strip, that upper heart looks so prominent and beautiful. Now for these sides, I will use pattern paper of this design, and you can also design your own. So I have cut these pattern paper shapes according to the size of the card, and I will paste them using white glue and brush. And on this other flap, I'm just using this piece. I will not paste any pattern paper on the middle heart, because here you can write any message or any photo, whatever you like to paste, you can paste it later. or you can leave it simple like this. Now take another cardstock piece of size 31.5 centimeter into 14 centimeter and divide into 3 equal parts of 10.5 centimeter each. Score them and fold them. I will use them as the inner piece for the main card, and you can paste photos or you can write sentiments, so you can design it according to your own choice. And I'm using these handmade tags and I've pasted them. Now when you open it, you can paste pictures and you can use it in as a scrapbook card, or you can use it as a separate greeting card. Now apply white glue on the back side of it and paste it in the middle, and our card is ready. I hope you will like the tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. You can check out more card tutorials in the description or in the playlist.